Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel Sabah's Kitchen Diaries. Let's make today Eid special Doodh Dulari. Let's try this amazing recipe now, but before that, if you're liking my content so far, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on. Let's start the recipe now. This is a very popular dish and very yummy indeed. Tell me in the comment section below what you think about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.